All right, today we have some more cases from my friends at CASEKOO. This is the Magnetic Shockproof case. It's compatible with MagSafe. We got 4 different colors, so let's take a look. This is my iPhone 14 Pro Max in purple.
It's purple.
Of course, very nice. CASEKOO, of course, very nice packaging. Comes with stickers. Comes with a little pop socket type thing. It's called black, so it's kind of like a frosted black look, so you can tell. Hard shell back, pliable sides, essentially. And it has the ring in the middle, so it should connect to a MagSafe charger. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and slap them in here. And again, I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. They make them for other sizes too, but that's the phone I have, is the 14. So you can tell the volume works just fine. Plenty of room for the little silent guy. Plenty of spots here for your speakers and your lightning port. And of course the power guy works just fine. Got a nice fat lip.
What's up, fat lip?
For the camera. And as I showed, MagSafe should work just fine. You see the color change, so you know it's charging. And I really like this. This just comes in the packaging with it. You know, if you want a kickstand, it clamps on there, and boom. Now you got yourself a nice little kickstand. And it can be moved, you know, so you can move it however you want. So you can move it, because it detaches, right? So you can just slap it back on there, and boom. Now you have a somewhat vertical kickstand. I would use it like this to set on my desk while I'm working, so I can see the phone nice and easily. And if I wanted to watch some YouTube action, I would just slap it up like that. Pretty fresh. All right, and next we have blue color. Again, we got ourselves another clip-on guy. That's a bright blue. It's kind of like a UK blue. I'm in Kentucky. It's like a Kentucky blue right there. Same deal. Fits on just nice. Volume works. Plenty of room for this action. They're all gonna be the same case, just different colors, so there shouldn't be any variances here. It all works as normal. And this also comes with the little pop socket guy. I'm just not gonna open every single one of them. And you can. You can even do it horizontal. It's pretty good. Now we have purple. So the phone is purple. So let's see how the purple case looks. Again, it also comes with one of these and your cool guy stickers. These are all the same color though, right? Yeah, these are just like a gunmetal kind of color. This is a dark purple. Matches the phone pretty good, really. It's almost exactly like that. Oh yeah, this is nice. So you can still see your Apple logo there. The purple blends in. Same thing, volume works. Silencer guy works. Power button works. Still got room for all this guy. And now you, of course, can work. This color changes so you know it's charging. Very, very nice. All right, and our final attraction here. Once again, more stickers, another pop socket kind of guy, and gold. If I'm being honest, this doesn't look super gold. It looks like an off-white, sort of. So it does pop on the phone, right? You know, it stands out very strong, but it does look more like an off-white than a gold to me. Again, MagSafe still works just fine. So it knocks all my cases down. Volume works, power works, and Silent Boy works up here, you can tell. All right, it's all of our cases. If I had to pick, this would be my least favorite. I'm not really a big basketball guy or football guy. If I was a big UK sports fan, I'd probably go with this one. Most of the time I want everything black, but purple's kind of fresh.
I want that purple stuff.
I would choose one of these two for me. Pretty good, like I said, hard back here to add protection. Nice fat lip for the camera bump. Your buttons are protected, still accessible ports. So yeah, you're gonna get the big thumbs up.